Hey, what's up? Are you going to start baking sourdough bread? You need a sourdough starter. It's the base of your dough. Without sourdough starter, there is no rise. That's why it's very important to have a super active sourdough starter. It's so easy to make. Many of you ask for recipe. This is for you.
So make sure you subscribe my channel and don't miss my next video.
All you need is two ingredients, water and flour. A jar to store your sourdough starter, could be any jar you have in your kitchen. One of these pickle jar also help. A spatula or a spoon or anything to mix. I like to use a bowl to mix my starter and then transfer it into the jar, but you can skip this. And one of this small scale help you a lot. But if you don't have it, never mind.
Alright, it's first day. Bring your scale and your bowl, same amounts of water, to me was 70 gram. Any sweetener can be honey, sugar or fruit. 70 grams of flour, mix until this consistency. Little bit thicker than pancake consistency. Put a kitchen towel and mark it up to see how it rise. Oh my god, it rise 10 times. No, it was a joke. After 3 days, come back and start your first feeding. You can see some changes. For example, it smells like cheese. Start your first feeding. Actually, mine's reached to this point after 2 days. Throw half of the batter and add same amounts of flour and water and pour into the jar. Let it sit for at least 24 hours. First feeding. Literally there is no rise. And here you can see I use another jars too. 24 hours later, second feeding. 70 gram starter, 70 gram water and 70 gram flour. Mix it up, pancake consistency. Into the jar, kitchen towel. This was the second feeding. And this is the third feeding. Same process, you can start to feed it after 12 hours. Means twice a day. This was third feeding. And here you are, after fourth feeding, I reached to this point. Finally it rise, and that was a success. And this is after fifth or sixth feeding. And after that, you can start feeding 1, 2, 2. And enjoy your super active starter.
Alright, that was it. Now you know how to make sourdough starter. I suggest you to subscribe my channel and check out the rest of the video about sourdough starter to learn more. And be patient. If your starter wasn't active yet, keep feeding it. You will reach to the point. Don't worry about it. Be patient and keep baking. Until next time, take care of yourself.